In this video, I'll show you how to buy extra storage on your iPhone. If your device is running low on space, purchasing additional storage can help fix that. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. At the top of the screen, you'll see how much storage is being used and how much is still available on your device. This is the built-in storage that comes with your iPhone, and it can't be increased. However, what you can do is purchase iCloud storage and store your data in the cloud instead. To do this, go back to the main settings page and tap your Apple ID name at the top. Next, select iCloud, then scroll down to Save to iCloud. Make sure all the relevant options are turned on so your data is backed up to iCloud. After that, go back to the previous screen and tap on Storage at the top. Here, you can purchase more iCloud storage. Tap on Change Storage Plan, then select See All Plans. You'll now see several storage options available, starting from 50 GB and going all the way up to 12 TB. Currently, I'm using the 200 GB plan. The cost for your selected plan will be charged to your Apple account on a monthly basis, and that's how you can buy more storage on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.